How to enable or disable cellular data for iCloud backup on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Cellular. Next, we scroll down, and then tap on iCloud Backup. Tap on the toggle button to turn off cellular data for iCloud Backup or to switch it on. And here say when not connected to Wi-Fi, use your cellular network to automatically backup to iCloud. This may cause you to exceed your cellular data plan. So because when you perform a backup, it uses lots and lots of data. So maybe you want to be careful turning this option on, as it can use all your data allowance, and you might have to pay extra money for your monthly plan. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.